So the Gingerbread Festival is a family fun day. It's free for families. We've got children's entertainment, we've got children's rides, we've got face painting, model making, we've got music, and it's just been a great opportunity for families to come out and enjoy a lovely day in the sunshine. We last did a Gingerbread Festival in 2019, so the opportunity to put it on today for the community has been fantastic. I would reckon that the footfall today has been the highest in Ormskirk for many, many years. Over the years, we've done a lot of different things, from simple things like doing litter picks to improving the alleyways. That's a project that we're still involved in making the alleyways better. One of the things that makes that difficult is finance, but hopefully the finance will be forthcoming from Historic England, and if it is, then we'll be able to do the next 2 or 3 alleyways and just make Ormskirk a more welcoming place for people.